Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Drive with AI to auto-label and organize files. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in Google Drive, click on My Drive to view your files. Next, identify the files you want to organize or label automatically. Consider using Google Apps Script for automation. In Google Drive, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate Manage Apps. At the bottom of this menu, click on Connect More Apps. Search for an AI app that specializes in file organization and labeling. Once you find a suitable app, click on the Install button. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the app to your Google Drive. After installation, return to Google Drive and find the app under My Drive. Open the AI app and navigate to the automation settings. Configure the criteria for auto-labeling your files based on type, date, or content. Save your automation settings to activate them. Monitor the relevant folder in Google Drive to see how files are organized. You may need to adjust the automation settings based on the results. Continue refining the criteria until you achieve the desired organization. Regularly check for app updates to enhance functionality. With this setup, your files will be automatically labeled and organized, saving you time. Enjoy a more streamlined Google Drive experience thanks to AI automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.